You can better teach one thing outside in a good way than inside what people don't embody. Hello, my name is Mieke Elzenga. I'm one of the two co-presidents of ECOLISE in the moment. What I really like in ECOLISE is that we are involved in sustainability and climate change. And I'm always amazed about the curiosity of children and ask them, okay, what kind of garden do you have at home? And what kind of food do you really like? Do you have any idea how this grows? What I really see is you can learn from a book or from a video or something like that, and experiencing with your hands in the soil and smell and feel and see what's going on around you, that really helps to understand that it's a part of the ecosystem and that it's not a part of just thinking about agriculture. No, it's thinking about nature, it's thinking about our lifestyle in daily life. So for me, education is really about experiencing yourself, what you can add by growing food yourself. And I think you are more aware of what you eat when you saw it growing.